Okay, the 3FE TPS calibration for the FJ62. This is a new TPS, I just put it on here. The screws are still loose, so we can still rotate the sensor. I have the 0.93 millimeter gauge in between the throttle stop screw and the throttle lever, and I have the probes on IDL and E2. The FSM wants us to rotate clockwise until we see some deflection in the needle. So in this case, we have continuity and we're going to rotate until we go to open. Okay, so there's our open. We'll come back just a little bit, kind of fine tune. And we're going to end up right on that cusp, which that looks pretty good right there. We're right on it. So I'll tighten it down a little bit. And make sure we're still there. Okay, so we're good right there. And give it the final tightness. And what we're setting right here is we're just setting how far from idle we can open that throttle body before IDL and E2 go open. So we'll have continuity from idle position all the way up until the set point of 0.93 millimeters open, then those two go open. The next couple of tests basically just check our work. So we'll jump up here to the other table. We're going to put the 0.77 millimeter gap in, and we should still have continuity. Less than 2.3 kilo ohms. We're at 12 ohms, so we're well under that. And then we'll put the 1.09 millimeter gap in, and we should go to open, which we do. So a pretty good range. We're 0.77 millimeters to 1.09 millimeters. I didn't think it was too big of a deal. I couldn't get my gap exactly right with my gauges for the 0.93. It was like 4,000ths of an inch off, so no big deal with that range. Okay, so we're gonna move that one, and we need to move our test lead over to the VTA prong. Okay, so put that on VTA. So we're VTA to E2, and right now I have 0 gap, basically an idle setting. Continuity should be 0.3 to 6.3 kilo ohms. We're 0.685 kilo ohm, so we're good there. And the next check we're going to do is we're going to take it up to wide open throttle, and as I increase the opening on the throttle body, you can see the continuity is going up, or the resistance is going up. This thing's basically like a 2-circuit rheostat, sending data over to the computer and adjusting voltage. So that's wide open throttle. We're at 4.7 kilo ohm, and range is 3.5 to 10.3 kilo ohm. So we're good to go there. And slowly close it back to idle. You'll see the resistance goes down, and take it all the way back to an idle setting, 0.686 kilo ohm. So good to go. This thing's ready to be bolted on and put in service.